Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to Thinkai's channel. Today we are discussing the question and answers of anthropology. Our question is parallelism and convergence. Introduction. Sometimes two organisms may show close relationship with respect to some morphological features and pattern. Such similarities may be due to parallelism or convergent evolution. Parallelism or homology. It is the situation where two evolutionary lines are derived from a common ancestor, develop in same ways through centuries paralleling each other in adaptation with both environmental and biological conditions working in tandem T A N D E M, but they belong to different species. Example: first, the old and new world monkey has developed from a common ancestor some 25 million years ago. They have independently developed a number of similar features so that people think of the two groups being the same. Yet there are number of basic differences between the two. Second is absence of tail in man, great apes and gibbon. They had same ancestors and tail must have lost in course of evolution in separate line but in parallel fashion. Common ancestors 25 million years ago. Two evolutionary lines. First is old monkey, old world monkey. Second is new world monkey. Common ancestors great apes, man, gibbon. Then absence of tail in three of them. Parallelism. Convergent evolution analogy. It is situation when two species are not related to common ancestor but they develop similar features due to similar evolutionary pressure. Thus, development of similar forms in divergent evolutionary lines is termed as convergent evolution. Example: first, development of wings in birds and bats, streamlined shapes of whales and fishes converging into the same environment. Different species, three different species into convergent evolution. One different species bat, one different species bird. Bat has different wing common feature. Bird ancestor and wings has common feature between bat and bird. It is a situation when two species are not related to common ancestor but there is a development of similar physical features in divergent evolutionary lines. Many unrelated or remotely related organisms express convergence in appearance as a consequence of the compulsion of their habitat and similar ecological makeup. In some cases, it is difficult to suggest whether similarities are due to convergence or parallelism. That is, they must develop certain characteristics to survive in similar conditions. While assessing the degree of phylogenetic affinity or evolutionary history. Conclusion: therefore, it is necessary that factor of parallelism and convergence must be taken into account, of which are likely to result in structural resemblance of evolutionary development of related and unrelated groups. Thank you very much.